Hey, have you been looking to make money online, but you just don't know where to start? Or maybe you're looking for traffic to be able to promote to your, Clickbank offers. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And one of the first places that people start when they come online to make money is with affiliate marketing. And network like Clickbank, you could go and find multiple different products to be able to promote through your sales funnel. And I suggest you use a sales funnel so that way you're retaining your leads whenever you go to do offers like this, right? Because it's very important to build your email list. Now, you want to find offers with a higher gravity, right? Which means a lot of people are, getting the offer. You want to find offers that you don't want the gravity to be all the way high, but you want it to be high enough to where you know that people are getting the offers. And you could come to, clickbank.com. You could come to this site right here. You could sign up for free, and then you can have your pick at the different offers. Now, once you have the offer, the next thing is you have to get high quality traffic. High quality traffic means traffic that you're getting a return on your investment. So typically, around 100 clicks of traffic or a little bit more, you should get about one sale on average, give or take, right? So that's the metrics of it, right? So you should get about one sale from 100 clicks, if it's very, very good traffic, and if the offer is good. So in order for you to make sales with Clickbank, your offer has to be good and the traffic has to be good. And also, a lot of the sales that you'll get, they'll be on the back end on your follow-up. So you want to make sure that when you're sending out traffic, or when you're sending out emails, that those people are on your own email list, right? Because when you're getting traffic, those people have to be retained on your email list for you to be able to follow up. If they're not on your email list, then you're not able to follow up with them. So I always suggest people build their own email list. And when you build your own email list, that basically means that those subscribers that you paid to get traffic to your offers are on your email list, right? So you want those people to be subscribed on your email list. And then what you want to do when they're on your email list is you want to send out autoresponder messages. Don't send out broadcast messages. You want to send out autoresponder messages, which are basically messages that are pre-written. And the only thing that you're doing with these messages when they first opt in is tracking who opens and who clicks on your links, right? So you could apply a tag and track who opens and clicks on your emails, because those are the only people that you want to send your broadcast out. Your broadcast is your one-time email that goes out into your entire list. So you don't want to be sending emails to people who aren't opening your emails or have no interest in what you're doing. So only send your emails out to people who actually want to hear from you, right? If you send your emails out to your entire list, what's going to happen is that's going to kill your domain reputation, which means, once your domain reputation is bad, your domain is pretty much fried, and all your emails are going to end up in the spam folder. And when you first open up your email service provider, let's say you have Aweber, for example, or ActiveCampaign, or any of those, when you first open up your email service provider, they allow you to an IP pool, which means, based on how you send, your sender reputation is where they're going to allot you in the IP pool. They have different servers. How the email service providers work is they put the best people with the best senders on the best servers. So if you're sending out good emails, you're going to be on a higher server, and you're going to be able to get better results, right? So your emails are going to land in the inbox if your IP reputation is high, and if it's low, it's not going to end up in the higher send pool, right? So you want your domain reputation to be high and IP pool to be high as well. So that way you're able to send pretty much anything. And if you ruin your domain in any kind of way, then you have to get a new domain, and you should basically warm that domain up before you actually send out more emails to more people, right? So those are some things that you should do. If you don't know how to do those things, it's fine. I suggest you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. This is my traffic store. If you're having any issues with your email, if you need help with your email, if you want to be able to get results with email, definitely come over and give me a try at profitbuilderstraffic.com. I am here to help you, and the reason why you should get traffic from me as opposed to anybody else is because I want to make sure you're getting a high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I also want to make sure that your sales copy and your capture page and all that is set up the right way so you get the best opt-in rates. More importantly, I want to make sure that the traffic you're getting is high quality, right? Because the high quality traffic source is what's going to actually help you to make the sales. And if you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me. And what I actually do is I help you to manage your funnels and your offers. If you need help, I actually help you with the highest converting pages that give you as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. And you can see my highest testimonial down below. If you look on this page at the testimonial section, my highest to date is 90% opt-in rate with sales. I want you to actually get the highest conversion with your leads and know how to actually track your stats, right? Because it's very important when you're getting traffic to be able to track everything. If you're not tracking, if you're not applying tags and actually segmenting your list, then you don't know who opens, who clicks. You don't know any of that stuff. You should always segment your list when you're getting paid traffic, so that way you know who the most engaged people are and you can focus on those engaged people. So when you're getting any kind of paid traffic, just understand that you're sifting and sorting just like anything else. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. It's very important. And when you book a traffic package with me, you can also get a strategy call. You can order your traffic, then book a strategy call with me. And in that strategy call, I go over, your sales funnel. I tell you what's working about it, what's not so good about it, how you can actually, tweak it. I see where you are in your business and the things that you want to accomplish, and I help you to get there quicker. So I'll give you actually feedback on your domain. I'll give you feedback on, if a lot of your emails are going to spam. I'll give you a lot of that feedback of how to make email work for you. So if you had trouble with solo ads in the past, no worries. I am here to help. You just have to order a traffic package from me. So with that traffic package, you get a strategy call with me, which is worth the price of the traffic itself. So, definitely order a traffic package with me because I actually help you to get results, right? When I first got started online, I really didn't get too much help. So I got into these opportunities and I was told that I would make all this money and all I needed to do was send traffic, and nobody actually helped me to get traffic, right? So I kind of had to figure it all out myself. So I went to YouTube just like you, and I saw a bunch of people telling me just about traffic. I didn't know where to buy traffic from. I didn't know which traffic converts, which traffic I should get, and nobody ever told me, right? I just had this offer that I needed to get people to. And if I would have known the stuff that I know now, it would have saved me $87,000 that I spent on paid traffic to learn the hard way, right? So you can always learn from the things that you're doing, and if you haven't had the results that you want in the past, it's totally fine. It's not your fault, and that's why I'm here to help you. So here's some of the testimonials right here. Here's my highest to date, 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate, 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials down here. You could also, check out my 90% tier 1, 100% tier 1s right here. 100% tier 1 is always going to be the best traffic you could get. And if you have any questions, your questions are going to be down here. So make sure you check down here as well. And here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is you get 100% real traffic. No bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. People who actually want what you have to offer. And I want to ensure you that you will get the best quality traffic that you've ever got before with any kind of paid traffic. And one thing I cannot do is I cannot issue refunds. So once you order from me, your traffic purchase is final. But I will help you if you have any issues with your traffic. So although you cannot get a refund, I will actually help you. If you have any issues with your traffic order, you will get exactly what you ordered. And I will make sure you get more than you actually ordered, right? So you'll get actually more in service and value than what you actually paid for, right? Because I actually get on a call with you and help you get results, right? So a lot of people don't do that. They just take your money, take your link, and say, all right, I'm going to run your traffic, and that's all you get, right? You don't get any kind of feedback. You don't get any kind of help. I'm here to actually help you. I'm here to serve you. I just take this business very seriously, and I want people to understand that business is a very serious thing, and you should take everybody that you come in contact with like family, like you would family. So treat people right in business, and they will continue to buy from you over and over and over again. And if you help people get to where they want to get to, they will be excited and happy to continue the business for years to come, right? So if you have any questions, concerns, leave your questions, concerns down here, or you could reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook is Gio Ambrose Gianta. You can come to this traffic page and place your order today. You can reach out to me on Facebook. You can also get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description. So that's where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to build and grow your business online. Also subscribe to my videos for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload any videos. Also, make sure you get a traffic package below, and if you come through that link, I'll know you came from YouTube, and I can help you with getting your results, right? So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. I will be happy to answer your questions, comments, or concerns, but you have to leave the comment below, and I will return your comment. I will answer all comments that people post, so make sure you actually leave your comments below. I'll talk to you soon, and make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.